tight. Guard the doors both day and night. Passwords strong like shields of gold. Love and wisdom shared in bold.
When parents disagree, online predators celebrate. Good day, and welcome back to Family Cyber Tips Weekly, helping you protect your home in a digital world. Today's episode asks a question many couples tend to avoid. Are you and your spouse truly on the same page when it comes to your child's online safety? The truth is, your child already knows which parent will say yes and which parent will say not today. One parent says no TikTok until you're older, but the other says just use it, but be careful. And in that tiny gap between those two decisions, your child becomes vulnerable. And that obviously creates a problem, a loophole, if you like. Kids are smart. If mom says no, they go to dad. If dad sets a password, they wait till mom is tired. Yes, if one parent is strict and the other is relaxed, kids don't follow the stricter rule. They follow the easiest one. And predators online have learned this pattern. They know when a home is united and when it's divided. A disunited home creates unmonitored screen time, hidden accounts, secret apps, privacy settings that never get turned on, children who don't feel accountable, and digital risks no one sees until it's too late. So why exactly do parents disagree? It's not because one parent is bad and the other is good. No way. It's because you were raised differently. You have different comfort levels with technology. You make decisions based on fear or familiarity. One parent wants freedom, the other wants protection. And sometimes you just haven't sat down to align your digital expectations. And here's what tends to happen repeatedly. When parents are divided, the child becomes the referee, and that is supremely dangerous. The solution is simple. Present a united digital front. Every family, including yours, needs a united digital parenting agreement, not a long document, not a legal form, just a simple commitment where both parents agree on when your child gets their first phone, for example. Screen time boundaries, what apps are allowed, what parental controls must stay on, what is non-negotiable, and what gets discussed together first. When your child sees unity, they feel safe, protected, and accountable. Don't wait for a crisis, folks. Please, don't wait till it's too late. Don't wait until your child hides something. Don't wait until the loophole I speak about becomes an open door, a door that's left ajar. Tonight, yes, tonight, sit with your spouse. It's easy. You don't have to wake up your child. You're now speaking to your spouse. Speak to your spouse. Answer the question honestly. Are we united on our kids' online safety, or are our differences putting them at risks? If you found this helpful, do one thing today. Share this episode with another parent who needs it. Subscribe to the platform. And if you liked the video, you know the drill. Like it, okay? Until next week, Monday at 6 o'clock p.m., that is. I've been your host, Lawrence Edem. God bless and goodbye.
See through all their clever lies. Knowledge builds a fortress tall. Together